Doctor, my child has a fever.
Since when?
Last night. Throat hurts.
Any cough?
A little.
Let's take your temperature.
Okay.
101.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Mild fever.
Serious?
No, viral likely. Let's check throat. Say ah.
Ah.
Red throat. Needs rest.
Medicine?
Fever reducer if over 102 degrees Fahrenheit.
Can I eat ice cream?
Not now, too cold.
Okay.
What food is okay?
Warm soup, soft foods.
Thanks, doctor.
Rest and fluids.
Will I be better soon?
Yes, a few days.
Bye, doctor.
Get well soon.
Mom, I fell.
Where hurts?
My knee, bleeding.
Sit. I'll clean it.
Will it hurt?
A little. Be brave.
Ouch. Cold water.
Need to wash dirt.
Done.
Almost. Now disinfect.
Smells funny.
It kills germs.
Okay.
Bandage time.
*1, please.
Here.
Thanks. Better now.
Rest a bit.
Can I play later?
Yes, if careful.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Thanks, Daddy. I'm so excited.
We have a fun day planned for you.
Yay! Can I open my gifts?
Of course. This one is for Mom.
Open it and see.
Wow! A new pink dress.
I knew you'd love it. You can wear it to your party.
Thank you, Mom. It's so pretty.
Now my turn. Here's my gift.
What is it? It's small.
Open it.
A silver bracelet with my name.
That's so special. Good choice, Dad.
I love it. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
After gifts, we'll have cake.
Chocolate cake.
Yes, your favorite.
And we'll have balloons and games later.
Best birthday ever.
We're happy you like it.
Make a wish before you blow the candles.
I wish for a puppy.
Get a cart, please.
Got it. What do we need?
Milk, eggs, bread.
Can we buy cookies?
1 pack only.
Yay!
Let's go to the dairy aisle.
Here's the milk.
Take 1.
Done. What's next?
Bread aisle.
Wheat or white?
Wheat. It's healthier.
I see eggs too.
Put them in gently.
Okay. Can I pick juice?
Orange juice, small 1.
Done.
Let's go pay.
Do we have enough money?
Yes, don't worry.
Can we drink juice after?
Yes, in the car.
Supermarket is fun.
Look at the slide. Want to try?
Yes. It looks fun.
Hold the rail. Be careful.
Okay, watch me.
Great. You went fast.
Can I do it again?
Sure, go ahead.
Whee! So fun.
Want to try the swing now?
Yes, push me high.
Not too high. Safety first.
Okay, but a little higher.
Ready? Hold tight.
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Whee! I love swings.
Want a break?
Not yet. Let's play more.
10 more minutes. Then snack.
Can I have ice cream?
Yes, if you drink water too.
Deal. You're the best.
You are the best player.
Let's go climb next.